Today we're going to have a look at a Scherr Tumico Industries or ST comparator. This is a 14-inch model benchtop comparator. It's a nice little unit. It has a QUADRA-CHEK readout on the X and the Y axis, which is very nice, and it also has surface and profile, or a combination of both, which will show you a better picture when we turn the lights off at the end of the video. So you have a focusing adjustment here on the side. You have your axis, your x-axis this way, and your y-axis up and down. The machine also comes with a 20x lens, a 10x lens, and this is a 50, I believe. A nice condition, nice and smooth. This is regular current, house current, 120, 115. Nice condition machine. This is used for checking small dimensions and inspection, also inspecting the surface. These lights here reflect off the surface and back through the lens and actually give you a clear picture of your grinding or your surface finish. Comes in handy when you're checking for that. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the light out so we can see that a little better. Sorry, John.
Okay, man.
You got to kind of move it around until you, and move the lights around until you get the, see there, you can see the surface now. As you start to focus it, I have to put my glasses on. And we could turn off the, and just have the profile. We could try a different part in there. It's a little more interesting. Bring it in there and get it focused. Now you're just looking at the surface. Of course, you can't get the entire thing because everything always goes out of focus, the depth of field. But the area you're trying to work in, you could pretty well bring into focus. Or if you turn it straight into the light, of course, it might help. So there you go. This is actually the bolt action rifle. There's the two locking lugs and the hole in the center for the firing pin. Anyway, there you have it. That's the Scherr Tumico 14-inch benchtop comparator. Very nice unit with the QUADRA-CHEK DRO and the 2 extra lenses. Thank you.